Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify order cannot be shipped to your location error. So if customers get the order cannot be shipped to your location error, follow these steps to fix it and ensure a smooth order processing. Step 1 is checking shipping zones. Navigate to Shopify admin, click on settings at the bottom left, navigate to shippings and delivery. Now make sure that the customer's country is included here. If missing, click add shipping zone and set the rates. Now step 2 is verifying product shipping settings. Navigate to products on your Shopify admin, then select the product. Now scroll to shipping section and ensure that this product requires shipping is selected. So make sure you choose this is a physical product, and after entering the weight, click on add custom information. You can choose the country or region of origin of this product and make sure that you select the option that says this product requires shipping. After doing this, click on save option at the top right and that would instantly fix your problem. Now, step 3 is fixing addresses and format issues. So you can ask the customer to double check their address format, ensure the country or zip code isn't missing or incorrect. Step 4 will be checking carrier and third-party app settings. So if using carrier calculated shipping, make sure your courier supports the region. After following these steps, you would have successfully fixed your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.